Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Sanjay just unveiled Commvault Cloud Unity, the industry's only platform for true cyber resiliency at scale. So why is it the only platform? As Sanjay explained, cloud and AI have changed the scale, security, and automation requirements of modern architectures. And Commvault Cloud Unity is the only platform designed to meet those requirements head-on. We are operating in a world of hybrid cloud, edge computing, IoT, autonomous systems, creating a level of complexity that legacy architectures simply can't handle. These legacy systems were built for data centers, not a cloud-native, AI-powered world. Take the case of a large pharmaceutical customer in the UK. They operate over 2,000 pharmacies, dispensing 220 million prescriptions every year. A cyber attack could bring those pharmacies offline, creating not just a business disruption, but a life-threatening situation for patients. Their pharmacies use local point-of-sale devices for daily operations, all connected to a suite of cloud-native applications built and hosted in different clouds. They needed a platform that could protect this highly distributed cloud-first environment and automatically recover their entire cloud if something went wrong. Now, traditional architectures can't deliver on the recovery time and recovery point objectives of companies with this level of scale and complexity. They needed a solution with an architecture that delivers infinite elasticity as well as simplicity, automation, and speed. Every step of our journey has been focused on this goal, simplifying resiliency at scale. We started by separating the control plane from the data plane, unlocking true horizontal scalability from the very beginning. Then we introduced Metallic, the world's fastest growing SaaS data protection platform. Along the way, we integrated the best innovations from 3 cloud-native acquisitions, uniting them into one powerful ecosystem. And now, we have re-architected for the age of AI resilience, built on 3 core principles. 1, unmatched scalability, secure by design, and Metallic AI at the core, a dynamic fabric that powers all the machine learning and generative AI capabilities across our platform. So let's start with scalability, Commvault's defining strength. Data today is alive. It moves constantly across regions, clouds, and workloads that run on ephemeral infrastructure. So why protect dynamic, short-lived workloads with static, always-on infrastructure? That approach isn't scalable, it isn't cost-effective, and it's definitely not cloud-native. So we built something entirely new. I'm thrilled to introduce Commvault Cloud Adaptive Fabric, our intelligence layer that automatically manages and scales the data plane across clouds. It's smart, it's efficient, and it's built for the speed and elasticity of the AI era. Now, traditional auto-scaling looks at CPU, memory, IOPS. We go further, scaling compute, storage, and throughput dynamically based on workload behavior and recovery targets. Now that means your backups and restore scale exactly as your workloads do, and you never pay for idle resources. This technology was developed for our SaaS platform, and today we bring all those capabilities natively into our platform across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. This next generation architecture isn't just about saving money. It's about unlocking the future. Now let's go back to the same pharmacy customer and their Active Directory forest environment. They have 100+ domain controllers, which can generate anywhere from 300,000 to 600,000 events every minute. That's roughly 5,000 to 10,000 events every second. A traditional static architecture simply can't scale and handle that kind of volume. It just wasn't built for that scale. So we are going all in on cloud native. But here's the key. It's cloud native and cloud transparent. That means your data stays yours and you stay in control, and our cloud adaptive architecture does the heavy lifting. And here's the real breakthrough. Everything connects. On-premise, SaaS, or hybrid. Every Commvault instance can now link seamlessly into one unified platform. You can set global policies, enforce compliance, and monitor data movement across multi-petabyte environments, all from a single pane of glass. Now that's a unified data management. The foundation of our next big leap forward, Commvault Cloud Unity. And this new architecture, it's not just theory, it delivers. 111 terabytes per hour for S3 data protection. And for on-premise workloads, 40 terabytes per hour restore speeds using hyperscale flex and pure storage. And for traditional workloads like VMware, we are 84% faster on backups and over 91% faster on restores compared to a legacy backup platform. Now that's the power of a truly modern architecture. Resiliency in the AI era comes down to one thing: trust. And at Commvault, security by design is the heart of the trust we create. There are 5 things that makes our approach truly different. We started with layered security zones separating control, data, storage planes so that recovery is always possible, even if one layer is compromised. Our foundation is rock solid, with 100% Linux native deployments running on Commvault hardened appliances or validated reference architecture through Vault OS. We have built in zero trust identity integrations, working closely with partners like CyberArk to deliver identity-aware protection at every layer. Data is encrypted at source, stays encrypted in transit and at rest. And finally, we are proud to be the first to deliver post-quantum cryptography, designed to stay secure against the next generation of threats. The proof is in our credentials. For example, Commvault Cloud is FedRAMP High certified, the highest level of security certification for handling US government data. We are also the first in our industry on Azure to support federated identity credentials, integrating Azure and Microsoft 365 protection directly into the enterprise identity fabric. We meet stringent standards for security and reliability because we take being the last line of defense seriously. As Sanjay said, AI is rewriting the rules for how we protect data. It's faster, bigger, and more autonomous than ever. And Metallic AI helps you stay ahead of it all. At the heart of it all is our comprehensive data model, an evergreen, always-ready metadata engine that scales to meet modern enterprise demand. It's application-aware, storage-agnostic, and context-sensitive, delivering deep visibility and intelligent search across your entire environment. CDM powers 3 core capabilities: assistance through generative and agentic AI, optimizations through continuous learning, and connections through secure, governed data sharing via our MCP fabric. It unifies and understands your data, keeping it ready, protected, and optimized for the AI era. So to bring it all together, architecture matters. We have built a platform that's scalable, secure, and intelligent by design. This is the foundation of Commvault Cloud Unity, how enterprises achieve resilience in the AI era. Now, Pranay will show you how this platform comes to life in the real world. Thank you.